Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I have a problem with my recliner. Yeah, I know, I seem to have a lot of problems with my recliner. It's getting old and I'm getting heavy and I'm overloading the darn thing, but I'm fixing it. I've got a problem with the spring, and I kept thinking I had to take the whole chair apart and reassemble it with a welded piece in there and lots of complicated motions and actions, and I thought, you know what? I just need to have a longer brace. So that's what I'm doing.
Okay.
Got it.
Stop now.
If you can stand there, we'll
stand
keep going.
here.
I got a cramp in a sec. Stand up for a minute. I think I can bend over and do this one. Okay, that's got it. All set? Well, that should hold it. It's got two cross braces tied into it, supporting that center spring. That should take the sag out of that center bar and hold that center spring where it belongs. Life should be good. Now we just have to sit down and see. Both chairs exactly the same brake, same spot. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.